got lots of things to go through today. So show of hands, who's fashion entrepreneur, has a fashion brand, designer. So we see ourselves as an enabler. So if you're a fashion entrepreneur, you're trying to grow your brand or business, your startup, we're here to help you get to the next level. So we do this by connecting creatives in the sector with professionals like Alex. So I'm going to pass Alex on. He's going to take the floor.
So yeah, my name is Alex Asomba, Alex for short. I'm a digital marketing trainer, and it also comes on. I've been training for at least 4 years for different companies. And also, aside that, I also lead digital consultant for a digital marketing trend. So when it comes to websites, when it comes to being online, you have people who like what you do. Probably you're already posting pictures of the items you sell or the items you can make. Definitely you have likes, definitely you have shares. But then do you know what affects the kind of likes you get or the number of likes you get? Definitely when I'm talking to people about what they do with their business online or how people see them, most times the only thing they talk about is the amount of fans they have. Most times, and other times, the only thing they talk about is if they're actually getting likes. Then for people whose conversion is sales, so we have inbound marketing there and we have direct response marketing here. I'll be quick with defining what they mean. Now for inbound marketing, you've seen people who take out time to develop really nice content. When I say content, I mean text. Text is content, image is content, video is content. They take out time to develop content. When you spend a dollar or two, when you spend money on marketing, it's mostly for direct response. You're like saying, okay, I don't have that time to find those who are just excited about my brand, but I need this kind of conversion. I need them to subscribe to my email list. I need them to buy right now. And there are these online platforms. For instance, you have social media online platforms. You could run adverts on them. And I don't know, I hope you're jotting things down. Although I'm going to send you resources after now. You have to be sending people somewhere. People have to know like that unique central place they can find you. And usually it is your own web address, like your own web address. So if they are doing better than you, it shows the posts they are making, what they're talking about, just in case you're missing out in the loop. You know, it informs you so you could do something really nice as well. Okay, so that's one way to actually measure your presence compared to your competitors. You can compare similar brands and see how well they're doing, you know, just discuss what this brand is doing that you think is making them more successful than the other brand. You find that out and also jot it down. Data is important. There's no guessing. Yeah. So if you can trace that and you figure that out, like for some people they got funding.
The what?
They got funding.
Okay, so
yeah, like they got funding, they got maybe scholarship to really learn or funding to really boost their business.